Hello everyone. Hope all are doing well. In today's session, we are going to see an exclusive quiz on Rashtriya Ekta Diwas. So let's begin. Rashtriya Ekta Divas is celebrated every year on which date in India? Celebrated on October 31st. Second one, the day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of which prominent Indian leader? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Third one, for his dedication to integrating the princely states into the Union of India, Sardar Patel is famously known by which title? Answer is the Iron Man of India. Fourth one, what massive post-independence task is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel primarily credited with completing? Answer is the integration of princely states. Fifth one, in which year was Rashtriya Ekta Divas officially instituted by the Government of India? In the year 2014. Sixth one, what is the name of the world's tallest statue dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel located in Gujarat? Answer is Statue of Unity. Seventh one, the Run for Unity, that is Ekta Daud, is an event organized across India on this day to symbolize what? Answer is to symbolize unity, integrity, and solidarity of the nation. Eighth one, Sardar Patel's Sardar title, meaning chief or leader, was given to him by the women of which region after his successful leadership of Satyagraha? Answer is from the region of Bardoli. Ninth one, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became the first Deputy Prime Minister of independent India and also held which other key portfolio? Answer is he was Home Minister and Information and Broadcasting Minister as well. 10th one, Rashtriya Ekta Divas is observed to reaffirm the nation's commitment to which principle, thus reflecting Sardar Patel's life work? Answer is to reaffirm unity, integrity and security of the nation. 11th one, which specific event in the year 1948 was a major challenge to the unity of India, which Sardar Patel resolved through the police action known as Operation Polo? Answer is the accession of Hyderabad. Next one, the primary aim of celebrating Rashtriya Ekta Divas is to foster and reinforce which of the following? Answer is the nation's resilience against internal and external threats. Next one, which crucial mechanism did Sardar Patel employ along with its secretary V.P. Menon to persuade the rulers of princely states to join Indian Union? Answer is the instrument of accession. Next one, which specific ministry did Sardar Patel head along him the legal and administrative authority to manage the accession of princely states? Answer is Ministry of States. Next one, the Run for Unity on Rashtriya Ekta Divas is also known in Hindi as what? Answer is it's known as Ekta Daud. Next one, which former princely state whose ruler was a Muslim Nawab but the majority population was Hindu was integrated by a plebiscite following the ruler's departure? Answer is Junagadh. Next one, the Statue of Unity is approximately how many meters tall, making it the world's tallest statue? Answer is 182 meters. Last question of the series, Sardar Patel's negotiations regarding the princely states involved ceding three specific subjects of administration to the Union of India. Which of the following was not one of those three subjects? Answer is law and order.